Hello friends, welcome to Unix programming tutorials. So in this video we are going to see what is Unix. In previous class we discussed about the brief history of Unix. So now we are going to see the what is Unix. So what is a Unix means? A Unix is a operating system. So what is operating system? So operating system is an interface between user and computer hardware. So that means operating system is an interface between user and computer hardware. So what is the user view about the operating system? The user thinks that he can run application programs. So that means Excel, Word, calculator, so web browsers. So that means all these applications we are running on this operating system. The user view is like that. He is using this operating system to use these application softwares on this operating system. So what is the system view? The system is concurrently running the tasks assigned by the user. Now we are going to see the features of Unix. The first feature is multitasking operating system. Multitasking operating system. So multitasking means the Unix operating system can perform more than one operation simultaneously. That means, for example, you are taking the program 1, program 2. If I execute the program 2 after completion of the P1, then we can say that is single tasking operating system. If these two programs executed simultaneously, then we say that the operating system is multitasking operating system. So Unix is a multitasking operating system. Another one is second one, multi-user operating system. So Unix is a multi-user operating system. So at a time, the different users can log in into this operating system and you can use this operating system. That means the Unix operating system is loaded in one server. From different terminals you are connecting with the server and can access the operating system. You can use the operating system. That means we can say multiple users can access this operating system at a time. And highly portable. Highly portable means the Unix operating system 95% written in C language. So easily adapt to any machine. So we can say that C is a portable language. So obviously the 95% Unix is developed in C. So we can say that Unix is also highly portable. You can install this Unix operating system on any hardware. And security. So Unix offers solid security to the users. Beginning from the system startup, on different levels, the operating system provides the security to the user and for his data. And treating everything as a file in Unix. That means the hardware device or anything, the Unix operating system treated as a file only.